B. We are covering also Ginimbi's funeral, the popular, the later Genius Katungure. We are here with his Hayes, the one that he left Harare with, but sadly they were just involved in a slight accident. Maybe my cameraman might just focus here to let the nation know what happened. Apparently it was a commuter omnibus that hit Genius's Hayes. As you can see, there is a congestion. This road is congested. So many people are gathering around to go and mourn the icon, the hero, the social media, socialite businessman, Genius Katungure. So many people are gathered, pedestrians, cars. As you can see behind me, in front of me, all over me, it is traffic all over. We will be broadcasting to you the whole funeral. We are going to be live up until tomorrow. Remember to follow us on Twitter and also follow us on Twitter and like our Facebook page. We're also on YouTube, that is TechMag TV. My name is Ginimbi and from the cruise behind the scenes, Zimbabwe. Let's go.